So this is the world's first smart potato, and you really need one. Next year at CES, it will be the next big thing. It will be everywhere. Because you know, potatoes, they are really sensible beings. But until now, we were not able to communicate with them. This is why I developed the Neuraspert. It's an ultra high bandwidth potato machine interface. You can plug it into any potato. It's self-powered by the potato, and it will pick up the potato brain waves. And then, by using artificial intelligence, it can translate the potato language into Bluetooth. So you can monitor in real time how's your potato doing, but also you can use your potato like a personal assistant, like Alexa. You got any big question in your life, you can ask the potato. Hey potato, should I buy the new iPhone? And then the potato will answer to you. And it says yes. So this will be on sale. This is already on sale on Indiegogo for $29. You can get one. And I bet you it's more useful than a smart toothbrush.
Just the potato.